guys, welcome back to my channel. I have such a busy day planned. I was supposed to go to the farmer's market with my friend, but we decided on getting brunch instead. After this, I have 2 open houses on 2 of my listings, and then later on is the Dustin Poirier fight. It's his retirement fight in New Orleans, so I'm super excited to watch that on TV. I'm also thinking about making sushi for dinner, so that will be super yummy. I'm very excited. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm at my open house. I just got done having breakfast with my friend Kira. I haven't seen her in a little bit, so we just had a little catch up. We were supposed to do the farmer's market, but the parking was insane. There's no way that we could have gone there, so we just went to brunch instead. I am currently working on submitting an offer for one of my other clients, so just waiting for her to get back to me on those numbers. After this, I have another open house at my other listing in Rayne, Louisiana. At my last open house for the day. How gigantic this kitchen is. I love it. After this, I'm going to the Asian market and we are making sushi tonight. My last open house, I did have one couple come by. They are looking for their 3 boys, so hopefully we can sell that home. Bread, tempura batter mix. So we just do that. I got this Swiss roll, cookies and cream for us to try. I also got this strawberry milk flavored cream soda. This is Korea's #1 cream soda.
Strawberry flavored cream soda?
This thing is huge. Little mango things.
Nice.
I think one of the thing is craft, but it's fine.
Korean barbecue spam.
Nice.
Regular spam.
Why is this a different size?
Gourmet chocolate double chunk muffins.
Oh my gosh.
They're very moist. I used to eat these in high school.
Double chunk. Otis.
Otis Spotmeyer.
Okay.
I also got these items
Nice.
here. I also got Alexander Farms A2 milk. And I got premium chocolate milk.
Nice. Is that the lactose intolerant one?
No. And I got salted caramel milk.
Okay.